TUTCO has been involved with 3D printers for some time and is a leader in 3D printing heat solutions. A 3D printer is essentially an oven, and depending on the size of the oven, it will require a set number of heaters. The media used in printing needs to be at a consistent temperature. Sometimes it even needs to be heated before the printing process even begins. If the media you print with is not kept at a consistent temperature, you will have issues with your printing. It could be as simple as one layer not bonding with the next. To ensure this doesn't happen, you need to heat the media. Whether you are printing with plastics, resins, or metal, heat is going to be used. The 3D printer's heat bed also needs to be heated to ensure that when the media hits the bed, it does not cure too quickly. Depending on the size of your printer, you may also require an air circulation heater. These are often connected to a fan to circulate the heat, or at times to just use the fan if a cooling cycle is needed. But here's where TUTCO comes in. We deliver the big advantage of providing the entire heating solution required by 3D printers. Whether it is a tabletop model or an industrial printer, we can help from prototypes to final production. So if you are producing over 100 3D printers a year, give TUTCO a call to learn about our range of heat solutions for 3D printers.